Welcome to the introduction of the HPC.NRW Competence network, which implements the HPC concept of the German state of North Rhine-Westphalia. The project is comprised of 4 work packages that I will explain in detail in the next slides. North Rhine-Westphalia is the most populous of the 16 states of Germany. Naturally, it has many universities and their research focus spans a diverse set of topics from engineering over life sciences and social sciences. A single HPC center often doesn't have the expertise across all these research domains. So the Competence Center therefore wants to establish a statewide HPC consulting service, helping users to gain access to HPC resources of Tier 2 and Tier 3 centers across the state and use them efficiently. The project is funded from April 2019 to March 2022 for all 12 partner universities with a total budget of 5.5 million euros. This amounts to around 1,100 person months, including the HPC Center's own contributions into the project. Work Package 2 focuses on the support of users of the HPC systems. Here we want to support existing user groups, but also introduce new user groups to the usage of Tier 3 systems. For that, we're creating a common platform for online tutorials and trainings to help new users getting accustomed to HPC systems. Furthermore, we're expanding the common HPC documentation available on hpcwiki.info, started by the ProPE project. Next to community-specific intensive consulting, we also provide support for performance analysis of applications, and through the use of integrated profiling and performance monitoring tools, we want to enable users to assess the performance of their applications on their own as well. Finally, by establishing a statewide third-level HPC help desk infrastructure, we enable local HPC support staff to draw from the combined expertise of the whole competence network. In Work Package 3, we work towards provisioning a standardized HPC software ecosystem. Key aspect here is that we want to harmonize user experiences across HPC systems in NRW. To that end, we also work towards state-level licensing of common HPC software. And finally, because it's tightly related to the coordination of software environments and HPC system operations, we want to establish a competence network for HPC system administrators for operational concerns. Work Package 4 focuses on structured access for users to HPC resources. We do this by moving towards a common infrastructure across HPC centers in North Rhine-Westphalia for the compute time application as well as the approval process. For that, we use the JARGE software developed by Forschungszentrum Jülich and already in use by several HPC centers in Germany. Furthermore, through quick reference cards, we support scientists in the preparation and application for compute time as well as storage resources. With that, we increase the permeability among HPC centers of different tier levels. Finally, we increase transparency for all stakeholders through a common reporting and accounting guideline. So let's have a look what we achieved in the project so far. We successfully engaged in individual consulting for new users of HPC systems on different sites in North Rhine-Westphalia, and we're keen on expanding this in the future. With the help of the Gauss Alliance, we successfully deployed a ticket system for third-level HPC support across North Rhine-Westphalia. For the Portland Group compiler, the Intel Parallel Studio XE and the TotalView debugger, we successfully negotiated state-level licenses. And we're still preparing a state-level license for ARM Forge. We started the best practice guide for HPC system operations and already curated first contributions. We also started moving common documentation to hpcwiki.info. For the Tier 2 centers on the project, we took first steps towards a common computing time application and approval system based on JARGE. We're currently evaluating common reporting criteria for all stakeholders. And most importantly, for a competence network, we established regular communication channels across all sites for the HPC personnel involved. If you're interested in our work, feel free to contact us or visit our website at hpc.dh.nrw by scanning the QR code.